guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pixelate or blur someone's face on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, go to effects, and either select the blur one or the mosaic one. To pixelate, select mosaic. To blur, select the blur one. So let me see which one I can adjust. Is it this one or this one? Okay, select this one and bring it into the video. You can adjust the blur here. I have it usually at 0 or 1. Okay, I'm just going to go with 1. Then you're going to select the video, you're going to then select mask, and you're going to select circle, and you're just going to add it onto their face. Try to make it as close to it as possible and feather it out just a little bit. And as you can see, her face goes out of the pixel. So just go to mask, and then add a keyframe. And whenever it moves a little, just move it back up there. Again, move it up there again. Then keep moving it so that the face is fully covered. Like that. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!